Everybody, it's Lucas. He's going out into the snow. You can see it's only been snowing about 30 minutes, and this is how thick it is already. He's heading towards the backyard. Lucas, say hi. Say hi, Luke. Careful. Come on, big guy. Lucas, look at Grandpa. Say, everybody, I'm out in the snow. Come on, big guy. Be careful. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is this fun? He's brushing the snow off his hands, off his gloves. You got snow on you? Yeah? Come on, big guy. Over here. Don't pick that up. No, that's too heavy. Come on. Step over. Good boy. Come on, Lucas. Lucas. Come on, Lucas. This way. This way. Lucas. He's not listening. Come here. Come on. Uh-oh. Okay, you ready? Okay, there you go. Brush it off. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, now heading into the backyard. Say hi, Lucas. This is the scene in the backyard. Remember, it's only been snowing about 30 minutes. Lucas is fixing to slide down this hill, I think. Where you going, Lucas? Hey everybody, look at the snow on my hands. I got snow. Is that snow? Yes?